Auburn Fire, attention Auburn Fire. Fire department requested for a fire alarm. 1751 Wesley Road, Auburn Village. 1751 Wesley Road, Auburn Village. It's coming from smoke storage room by the theater. To your first page, Central is clear, 811. Attention Auburn Fire, attention Auburn Fire. Fire department requested for a fire alarm. 1751 Wesley Road, Auburn Village. 1751 Wesley Road, Auburn Village. Showing smoke storage room by the theater. To your first page, Central Square, 812.
Central, Clint 24.
Clint 24.
24 is responding, Auburn Village.
Clint 24 responding.
Central, Engine 21.
Engine 21.
Engine 21, Truck 27 responding.
Clear Engine 21, Truck 27 responding.
Central Fire 1's responding.
Fire 1 responding.
Central 24 is on scene, Auburn Village. Nothing showing, no evacuation. Be out investigating.
Clear Clint 24 on scene. Nothing showing, no evacuation, out investigating.
Central Fire 1's on the scene.
Fire 1 on scene.
Fire 8, Fire 1. Status.
With facility personnel, we're making a walkthrough. There's nothing visible or there's no smoke or anything. We're trying to find a trip detector.
Okay, clear. Do you have any internal alarms?
Negative.
Clear. Engine 21, Truck 27, you go level 3.
1-8.
Go ahead.
We haven't located anything. We're at the panel now. We're going to try and reset and see if it holds.
Fire 1's clear.
1-8. The alarm's been reset and is holding. We're exiting.
Clear. Engine 21, Truck 27, you can return.
21's clear. Central, you can show 21 back in service.
Clear Engine 21 back in service.
27's in service.
Clear Truck 27 in service. Fire 1.
Central, we've checked the building, nothing found. The alarm system's been reset. All fire units are in service.
Clear on nothing found. Alarm system reset. All fire units in service.